In this video, I will show you step by step how to download, install, and use ExpressVPN on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Before we begin, a quick note. Even though this video shows how to set up ExpressVPN on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, my personal daily VPN is NordVPN. I have been using it for over 5 years because of its speed and stability. I have added a special link in the description so you can check it out later if you want. Now let's walk through how to get ExpressVPN running on your PC. First, open a web browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you like. In the address bar, go to the official ExpressVPN website. Once the page loads, sign in to your ExpressVPN account. Click on the Sign In option and enter the email address and password you used when you created your account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one and choose a plan before continuing. After signing in, you will be taken to your ExpressVPN account dashboard. Look for the option that says Download for Windows. Click on it. The website will automatically detect whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. The ExpressVPN installer file will now start downloading. When the download is finished, open the file. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder. A setup window will appear. Click Install to begin the installation process. Windows may ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. ExpressVPN will now install on your computer. This usually takes less than a minute. When the installation is complete, the ExpressVPN app will open automatically. You will now be asked to sign in. Click Sign In and enter your ExpressVPN email and password. If you prefer, you can also sign in using an activation code. To do this, choose the activation code option, copy the code shown on your screen, then open a browser and go to the ExpressVPN activation page. Sign in and paste the code. You are now on the main ExpressVPN screen. In the center, you will see a large power button. This button controls your VPN connection. To connect to the VPN, simply click the power button. After a few seconds, it will turn green and show that you are connected. This means your internet traffic is now protected. By default, ExpressVPN connects you to a recommended location. If you want to change your location, click on the location name below the power button. A list of countries and cities will appear. Choose the location you want, and ExpressVPN will connect you to that server. Once connected, you can use your browser, stream videos, download files, or use any app as usual. The VPN runs in the background and protects your connection. If you ever want to disconnect the VPN, open the ExpressVPN app and click the power button again. That's it. You have now successfully installed and set up ExpressVPN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. By the way, if you're interested in trying out my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.